Sunday. Today is hang around the camper and relax day. We got to get the laundry done. Kurt's making ribs in the crock pot, which is my favorite. Anyway, we're just relaxing. I thought I'd show you a few sights from around the campground today. And tomorrow we're going to the Florida Caverns, which is going to be awesome. So have a good day, everyone. Ooh, there's a jet flying over the campground. Oh, look how they do the lights in the pond in the middle of the campground. Isn't that cool? We're just chilling. It's probably low 80s outside. Watching TV.
Well, hello there.
It's the fountain in the center of our campground. Hey, did you like and subscribe to the video? Great!